What's going on, subscribers? My name is Jackson. For the first time, you're seeing me in my PJs. Now who cares about that? Yesterday, I got a fidget spinner. I got it in my favorite color too, yellow. So yeah, it's a yellow fidget spinner. And here's some footage of me doing a trick yesterday.
Awesome.
Hey.
How about zooming in on the spinner? There you go. Pretty cool.
BTW, you wonderful viewers. I haven't made a video in a long time because my grandparents were here and stuff. And I wanted to relax for a bit. I think you all know what it's like to relax and what it's like to work. Here, I'm gonna eat this. Just kidding. You think I'm that stupid? What are you? What are you, sick-minded? You know I'm not that stupid. What's wrong with you? Okay, let's do this. So anyway, yeah, I got a fidget spinner, and I haven't made a video in a long time because I had family over. Stuff. Well, there you have it. I have a fidget spinner, and it's yellow. And maybe I'm going to do a challenge with Sean with it. Yeah, he has a fidget spinner too. My best friend has one too. By the way, do you remember that one time when I told you that I have a girlfriend? Yeah, she's gonna be on my YouTube channel this summer. And not only that, but I'm gonna do some crazy stuff this summer. I mean, with no school, there will be loads of time on my hands. AKA, loads of time for me to learn how to do some crazy stuff, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, you wanna hear the sexiest oh yeah I could do? Oh yeah. Keep spinning, baby. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah. I'm doing it. Watch this, baby. Hello. Hello. Wow, my right finger is starting to hurt. Better switch. No, it really is starting to hurt. I better stop. Using that finger to do it. Oh yeah. So anyway, yeah, crazy vids this summer. Crazy fidget spinner. And crazy keyboard that controls time. Hold on. Well, I guess see you later. That was terrible. Bye!